welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you what I got in my Boxycharm. Boxycharm is a monthly makeup subscription that runs for $21. If you're wanting to sign up, I do have a referral code down below in the description box that you're more than welcome to use. So this is the box for August. And I believe they collabed with Laura Lee. So as always, it comes with the little booklet that lets you know how much everything's worth. And these are the items I got. So I know it was either like a Becca or a lashes or anything like that, but I'm okay getting a Becca Ever Matte Poreless Primer Perfector. It is 12 hours shine control, which I'm perfectly fine with this because I do have oily skin. So I would rather have this than false lashes. So I'm excited about this. Next we have Smashbox, and this is Be Legendary Liquid Metal. And this is in Foiled Brat. So let's take a look. Okay, this is the color. Let me swatch that for you guys. And there is the color of that. I don't know if I'll use this. Probably this in like a lighter color above it. I'll have to try it out. Okay. Next we have Bang Beauty. Sorry if I sound a little out of it. My daughter got sick at school and then I ended up getting sick. So I'm just kind of trying to hang on. So we have Bang Beauty. Bang Beauty is something I've gotten before, not through Boxycharm, but through, you know, other things. What is this? It is a chocolate eyeliner, gel eyeliner. Okay. Like that. I don't know if it's picking up well on the camera, but it actually looks a lot lighter than in person than it does on camera, but that's pretty. Okay. Next we have NCLA. This is a Treatment So Rich Vitamin E Infused Cuticle Oil. So this is for the cuticles. I probably definitely need this. All right. Next we have Wander Beauty. This is Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask, and they sent 3 of them, so that's always nice. We previously got the mascara in this brand, and I was kind of iffy about it at first because of the curve of the wand, but I actually really like it now that I used it and got the hang of it, so I'm excited to try these out. And last, it is the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal palette. So these colors are way out there for me personally. I'm not gonna give this away as a giveaway because my goddaughter is actually a big Laura Lee fan, so I'm actually gonna give this to her. So next time there's a palette that I would not personally use, I will give that away to a subscriber. So these are the colors. So this one's a little bit lighter, and that one's more brighter. These colors are not showing up as well on my camera than in person, but they are super vibrant. I'm not sure if my goddaughter will use these. If she does, like, hey, all you. But these are just way out there, and I know personally I would not use these. So I will swatch these for you since it's just for my goddaughter, so I don't think she's gonna have a heart attack about it. So yeah, that is everything I got in this Boxycharm. I'm actually really excited about all the other items I got. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Bye.